Hello everyone. Welcome to AE Graphics. Let's preview what we are going to create today. Let's get started. Open After Effects. Create a new comp. And rename it to Filmbar. I am using 1920 by 1080 resolution. 30 frames per second. 6 seconds long. Background color is black. And press OK. Let's import our project file. Right-click on Project window. Import in File. Select the file and open. You can download the file from the link in description. Now drag and drop the video file into the comp. Let's head to the main tutorial. Create a new solid layer. Right-click. New and Solid. Rename it to Filmbar 1. Make sure background color is black. And press OK. Now make sure the Filmbar 1 layer is selected. Go to the Toolbar section. Select the rectangle tool. And double-click on it. A new mask will be created in the Filmbar 1 layer. Check the inverted box in the Mask 1. Now select the Mask 1. Press Ctrl+T in keyboard. Then, by holding Ctrl+Alt in keyboard, drag the mask as shown. You can adjust it according to your ideas. I am just showing you the path. That's all, our first Filmbar is ready. Now let's head to the second way. Let me turn off the Filmbar 1 layer. Create a new solid layer. Right-click. New and Solid. Rename it to Filmbar 2. Make sure background color is black. And press OK. Now make sure the Filmbar 2 layer is selected. Go to Effects and Presets. Search for CC Jaws. Drag and drop it to the Filmbar 2 layer. Let's adjust few settings. Change its completion value to 80%. And height to 0. That's all, our second Filmbar is ready. Now let's head to the third way. Let me turn off the Filmbar 2 layer. This effect have to be applied on the file or the comp. Select the file. Go to Edit. And Duplicate. Rename it to Filmbar 3. I am placing it above all the layers. Let me turn off the file. Now go to Effects and Presets. And search for Motion Tile. Drag and drop it to the Filmbar 3 layer. Let's adjust few settings. Go to Effects Controls. Change the output value to 80. That's all, our third Filmbar is ready. Let's RAM preview. Hope you like this tutorial. Do subscribe our channel for more videos. Let's learn together. Meet you in the next video. Good day.